Jarn AI versus LM Studio. Which local AI tool should you use? Choosing the right AI tool can completely change how you enhance productivity without the hassle of internet dependency. Let's briefly explore both options. Jan AI and LM Studio are powerful local AI tools designed for various tasks. The core difference lies in their focus. Yan AI emphasizes conversational AI capabilities, while LM Studio offers a robust environment for machine learning model development. Yan AI is a local AI tool that specializes in conversational applications. It allows users to create and deploy chatbots and virtual assistants without needing an internet connection. The tool uses advanced natural language processing to understand and respond to user queries effectively. One of its strengths is its ability to learn from user interactions, making it increasingly efficient over time. However, its limitations include a narrower focus on conversational tasks, which may not suit users looking for broader AI functionalities. Ideal users for Yan AI include businesses seeking to enhance customer support or individuals interested in developing personalized chatbots. LM Studio, on the other hand, is designed for those interested in developing and fine-tuning machine learning models. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for data pre-processing, model training, and deployment. Users can leverage its intuitive interface to build custom models tailored to specific tasks. A significant strength of LM Studio is its versatility, supporting various machine learning frameworks and algorithms. However, it may require a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with machine learning concepts. Ideal users for LM Studio include data scientists and developers looking to create complex AI solutions or enhance existing models. When comparing Jarn AI and LM Studio, consider your specific needs. For instance, if your primary goal is to create an engaging chatbot for customer service, Yarn AI is the clear choice. Its user-friendly interface and focus on conversation make it ideal for those tasks. Conversely, if you aim to develop sophisticated machine learning models, LM Studio provides the necessary tools and flexibility. The trade-off here is between ease of use and advanced capabilities. Yan AI excels in conversational AI, while LM Studio offers broader machine learning functionalities, making it essential to align your choice with your project requirements. For those focused on conversational applications, Yan AI is the recommended choice for its ease of use and effective chatbot capabilities. If your interests lie in developing complex machine learning models, LM Studio is the better option due to its comprehensive features. Choose wisely based on your project needs and enhance your AI experience with the right tool.